Okay, so now how are we going to build it?
What?
How are we going to build it now? It goes over there. How about these big ones? Where should we put these guys? What are you thinking?
Think first.
Okay, you think.
Aha!
Now how are the cars going to get out of there? It goes like that.
Now just wait for a second.
Oh!
This is keep falling down. Now we start it all over again. We start it all. Say all. Over.
Over.
Again.
Again.
All over again. Come on.
We don't have to mess it up. Why are you going to mess it up?
Because this is not working.
Why is it not working? Oh no. Don't kick the trucks, goofball. Oh man. Now we gotta start all over again.
Yep. This is where the bumblebees are going.
Oh, that's where the bumblebees go? And where's the truck gonna go? I didn't say how they go, I said where they're gonna go. Your bumblebee's bigger than my bumblebee.
One bumblebee. One bumblebee going here. Then it's breaking again. You built yourself under the milk.
Oh my goodness!